Hi viewers and beloved learners, I welcome you once again on this online English language course. This is teacher Kashif. In my first lecture of this course, I want to share with you one interesting story. Once upon a time, there were 4 boys who came across different countries. Once they decided to meet together so that they can share their cultures, their traditions, and about their festivals. When they reached on the meeting point, they spent almost 2 hours, but they were unable to understand or share their views together. Do you know what is the reason behind this? Why were they not able to communicate with each other? Because they knew just one language, and that was their native language. They didn't have any international language so that they could communicate with each other, and that's the reason they tried very hard, but they were unable to understand each other. And that is what language. Language is the medium of communication to share or transfer your ideas, your thoughts with each other. I hope you understand the importance of language. So I have given you a task along with this video. Kindly check it out and follow the instructions. In that task, what you're gonna do, you're gonna answer all 5 questions given in your assignment file. Once you give me the answer of those questions, I will then ask you to share your video regarding the importance of English. But keep it in your mind, the video must not be longer than 2 minutes. So in these 2 minutes, what you're gonna do, you're gonna share with me about the importance of language, what you think in your mind. I know there are many people who have come across from Brazil, Morocco, Afghanistan, India, Kashmir, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Australia, USA, and many other parts of the world. So in this video, what you're gonna do, you're gonna share with me the importance of English language. Along with this assignment, I have shared an interesting file with you just for your knowledge about language. Thank you very much.